Hello, welcome by everybody. Getting everything together, give me half a moment. Gotta get all the things set up. The boy has been very snuggles this morning. Actually, just kind of recently. First, welcome by. There you are. God, it still says I'm doing backshot instead. I'm gonna put down that we're doing art or something. Twitch.tv/RevScarecrow. We got 3 minutes of ads. Y'all doing okay this morning? Alright. I think I got it all together. Yeah. I think the only thing left is restream. Today is the 23rd, actually. Art and stuff. Art of backshots. Nope. We'll do a bit of programming first, but I'm just gonna call it just chatting for now because honestly, like, it's hard to differentiate the difference. Forgot to ping the mail Discord. I've pinged every Discord. What? Meow? What? Also, is there an ad running? The mail Discord? That's what it said, right? Ad appears to not be running. Okay. I pinged Rev's Funhouse, did I not? Oh, I did not. What the fuck did I ping then? Like Block Wars or some shit? Okay, yeah, I didn't. Add everyone. There's the ad. Stream. There we go. Now I've done the stream thing everywhere at the same time. And give you guys a screen region of me just like screwing around for a minute while we wait for these 3 minutes of ads to end. People who are subs and people who are, you know, on YouTube can still see shit. So I just need to monetize some videos so that way they can go out. Nope. Thank you for the 40 months of support and thank you for the good vibes. I really appreciate it. Hey guys, from like 2 weeks, yeah, 2 weeks from today, I'll be live. Honestly, that works, Raylor. Yeah. Oh god, what is the, I need all the shit for this. I hate that this can't auto be completed. Also, why is it still showing starting soon? Oh my god, the YouTube one is very behind. I got the most OP relic in all the mods 10 just now. Oh god, I'm gonna have to... I want to play that, but like, I've only been playing that, and I should probably play other shit, right? Minecraft, all the mods. It automatically makes the ore you mine into bars. No, play what you want. Minecraft cool? Well, we might play Minecraft for a bit then. Play what you want? Yeah, I know, I just feel like I've been doing only Minecraft. Also, some fucker pretending to own the rights to C418's music. Again! This was like 2 days ago. I don't remember, man. Yeah, I mean, it's my stream and I can do whatever I want, but like the point of this is that I want to try and make content that you guys want to see, you know? The content is back. Minecraft, all the mods. Jesus Christ. It's so fucked up. I can't even imagine how it would allow me to stream shit like that. You're right. You're right. I want to see Minecraft. All right. Well, there you go. I do want to do some programming this morning because, like, I'm going to be honest with you. I have no fucking idea what is going on with this code. Like, none. Add-ins in 6 seconds. We'll stop trying to, like, monetize crap. Yeah, I say cuss words every now and then. Copyright? No? Good. Okay. Monetization? Yeah. Save. Well, okay, so the issue is that what if C418 one day decides, fuck it, I do want to start monetizing my work. Instead of saying, you know, as long as it's not straight up Minecraft, like you can, you know, like, he only monetizes it if you just straight up play the word, which is funny because that's what he does. Is there a reason that graphics can't just mirror the values of, yes, Legend, yeah. That's entirely the fucking problem. It's a nodes thing. I've messed around with a few different things. I want to get this credit right. I was sent a wall of text yesterday. Can I see your whole fucking name, please? No. Okay. We could do a funny 2D array, but I think it'd break you. Okay, good. All right, so I tried some of the things that was recommended to me. Lepa, there you are. I tried the examples, like it just calls you L because of streamer mode being on. And I'm like, I know it's not rate lore. It's the other person who knows stuff about coding who sent me a thing. The problem is that a lot of those we've already tried. So here's what it does. Let's just run it. So we got our cards. We got a 2 in our hand. I don't really want to use the 2 because it's the last card in the hand. It might do something weird sometimes. So you drop some array examples. I didn't download the file, but I looked over the things they said, and I didn't find anything in there that would work. So the problem is it can't convert a string to an object. And the string is literally just the name of the card, right? What are you thinking? What are you talking about?
You are a very special boy.
You are a very special girl. That's what chat said. That's what Lanessa said. Lanessa? Yeah? Baby. She's very opinionated. She doesn't like the cold. She doesn't like that I have the fan on, but like 72 in here. I'm not like, I'm not cold, you know? The computer acts as a little space heater. That just warms up this room because there's no like, which is kind of weird because it's liquid cooled. I mean, the outside of it's cool. I can't actually find out why it's warmer in here. Maybe it just is. The file is just GD script. I saw Discord fucking up the formatting and thought it'd be okay. Cool. That's what I figured it was. So yeah, we can't. Okay. The radiator pulls out the hot of the water. Right, yeah, exactly. But like, I don't know. It's a little bit warm. but it's like the case and the area around the fans and such are not really that warm. I wouldn't call it cool air, but I would say it's not warm air. It's just air. I mean, I guess it's 72-ish because that's a latent temperature in here and it doesn't feel like it's any cooler. Oh, it does have some other stuff in it. Because the ones that I saw that were on there were stuff like Get Child, so Get Child doesn't help. The issue is converting from a string to an object, and I don't know how to talk about objects at all. Erase is not a function, so I'm just gonna get rid of this line. I feel like erase is a function, but it's just not. So get out already should work. Remove the target, and the target is hand find. So that's the number it is in. There's an array erase. You might have been trying that. I don't think that that's right. The target would be the index. So the index is the number where it is in the... So the thing is that both the player hand and the graphics hand are... assuming that they don't get desynced, at the start of the game are the same. So that means that if there's a 2 in the first position, then it will be in both first positions on both, right? What? So vector arrays, like we're talking about nodes. Is that something you know about? Do you know about graphics arrays in Godot? Do you know about Python or C programming? Because we might be able to use some of that knowledge. Oh. What is Go Fish? Man, I guess that is a thing that people might have an issue with. Go Fish is a card game for children. It's one of like the first card games you it's one of those games that you just learn as a child, you know? Like, you're over at grandma's house, and it's like, oh, let's all sit down and play cards with grandma. And so you play Go Fish, you know? Like, it's that kind of game. The general idea is you're supposed to get 4 of a kind. So assuming arrays are, in fact, synced, you could probably get it by using player hand, graphics hand, target. Right. Yeah, player hand, get child, target, does find the thing that we're talking about here. So right now it's finding 3, right? Because it's the third one in the list. The card is the 10. And you find it in the list, and that ends up being the third card in the list. You want to change this to graphics hand instead, which I guess is important? Yeah. Let's try that. So this is that. And then... I mean, yeah, let's just give this another go. I don't know what that would do, because, like, that seems cool. Hey, Azzy. Also, can I just talk about, like... Oh, that matters. Okay. Alright. Andre is, like, the goodest of good boys. He thanked me for all the raids that I've been doing for him, and he's like, have you been doing okay? Yeah, what Split Gear said. I didn't do a very good job of explaining it myself, but yeah. Okay, so again, this $, the card is a... Sorry, I can't spam this emote. God, I hate it. Brackets are used exclusively for arrays and only arrays. Right. So it's just like, I guess that matters as far as like where it is in the array or whatever. I mean, like, the game more or less plays Go Fish correctly. It's just had some issues. What the fuck is that emote? Oh, that emote looks real glitchy. Using that targets the spot in the array. Okay, so this targets the third one in this example of 10. And then so if I change this one maybe to bracket, player hand, remove, child, that guy, right? Cannot use subscript operator on based of type callable. Okay. You prefer this to be parentheses then? No, because it's not an array. Oh, right, yeah. So in order for that to work, then we got to do graphics, hand, remove child, target. Right. Wait, why am I even making get out already? If that's a thing. That's probably not right then. Remove childs is a method, not an array. Get out already is the node. Yeah, we might want to call that something else. GFX node. Node for buy. That's a better name for it. All right, print node for buy. I was gonna put for removal, but removal is too big of a word. Yeah, dictionaries and arrays kind of seem like the same vibe to me. But I haven't really fucked with dictionaries much. I remember fucking with the dictionary back when I was trying to make a... It was like a high school project to make a artificial intelligence. And I think I drugged one in for just like collections of words or ideas or some shit. You needed it for the sake of doing it because like I fucked a dictionary. You would remove child. Okay, so we don't need to... So we don't do the $, the card, because we're just targeting it based on where it is. So it's graphics node for, yeah. I'm asking the Godot expert. That sounds right to me. Expected too many arguments for Q free. Okay, so maybe we put that before this shit. I'm just gonna run it and see what happens. I mean, that looks... Who cares about my body count? Non-existent function, remove child in base of array node. It's item queue free. So yeah, you would have to like tell it where it's removing the thing. We don't need this. This is not a part of it anymore. That broke the code and it wasn't even a thing that we care about. Whoop. Okay, so it has left the array now. Let's check and see how that looks. Okay, it has left the array and it doesn't know what to do with that card anymore. It looks like it bricked on that, so it didn't get to the rest of that shit. At the risk of being yet another first-time chatter pointing at irrelevant things, have you thought about skewing the cards in the water to make them look more adjustable? Yeah, I should probably do that. How's the fish game going? It's going okay. Oh, no. Yeah, it's been removed from graphics hand. It looks like it's been removed from play. Yeah, because we threw a king at it, right? So, okay, so how are we... Okay, part of this is also about, like... Yeah, so this... What this is doing is it's trying to reposition where that card is, but, that card doesn't exist anymore, which is what I want for it to do. But, you know... Update card transform in base node. Object derived class argument 1, previously freed, is not a subclass of the expected argument class. Right, yeah. The card that's trying to be fucked with isn't part of the array anymore. And I'm not really sure how to tell it that's fine. Don't worry about it. It's gone now. And it's doing the reposition card on the process delta thing. That I have no idea. Yeah, we set it free and now it's mad. That's okay. It's hard to tell if it's doing the rest of the things it ought to do. I'm going to go ahead and check that real quick. So back to the thing that we're working on. We go here, node for buy. These to remove the GFX card. All right, we run it again. This will make it so it doesn't remove the graphics card. I just want to make sure it removes the other card still. Why would it not? I don't know. Maybe the game just feels like being a piece of shit today. Ace. Okay, so I removed an ace from both of our hands, and the ace is still in our hand because that's a thing. Okay, so, like... First off, can we talk about the... Okay. I know that this is technically a separate issue, but it's kind of the same issue, so we can actually handle it now, and it'll fix the problem we're actually having. So... The way the hand works right now sucks dick, in my opinion. Just in general, I don't really like the way it is. Like, I can pick up 2 cards at a time. It might be possible to... No, you can't pick up more than 2 because of the positioning. And the issue that is causing it to break is because of the process of it trying to realign these cards. The dragging thing's fine. I like the dragging. The repositioning of it into the hand is what I'm not a huge fan of it. So it's like, how are the cards arranged in the first place? Well, that is part of the player hand script, which is through here. Once the game starts, it does some shit to get the position. This is trying to find the radius of a circle which exists invisibly on the world right here. The cards try and fan themselves over that using some math shit that I didn't really understand, but this guy who was actually talking about it understood it, and that worked. This ready function does nothing, so we could probably remove it. Function update card transform, set the position to wherever the position is and in the drag, and then you make sure that it is like angled relative to that. What if we just have them all lined up flat because fuck you? Yeah, okay, so what are the possible problems with that? Are there any that I care about? Like, the fanning is nice, but do I actually care? What is... Oh, right. That's the score or the player hands and such thing. You know what I want to do? Is there a way to check and see if, like, when something is changed from false to true? The fanning is nice, but it does seem like a pain in the ass. That does seem like a bit of a bigger issue to fix. I guess there's really not, is there? You could send out a signal. Oh yeah, we could have it emit a signal when the thing happens. Basically, I just wanted to show like your turn. Yeah, okay. So then we just want to make a script, right? How do signals work in Godot? When something happens, you can have them emit, and when you do that, then you're a happy little fella. Function turn reminder notification. Game dot player turn equals true. Whatever. I don't particularly care right now. I just needed to shut up. Expected a colon after the function. Okay, cool. The hand thing we'll worry about. I think I'm gonna have to look up some stuff, but that's all that I needed to do to get the code for the rest of it working. To get the hand to display as just cards, I would probably want to set up like different slots. Like on this screen, maybe we have like a set of slots and they go like just lined up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. And then have it prioritize the ones that are closest to the center first. And if there's already a card there, then check the next slot. And if there's already a card there, check the next slot. And if there's already a card there, and so on and so forth. And it keeps going out and out and out. But the order should actually... Does it matter? I mean, that's just visually where they are. That's not actually where they are as far as code cares. Why not just replace the 2D shape with a box? Did you make the art? I did, yeah. So far, this is all me, except for chat knows more about coding. So Raylor and Lepa have both been helping out a ton. Not to mention a ton of other people who have popped in and given suggestions that have been helpful. But yeah, painting is more my thing. Doing art is more my thing. So like, you know? Okay, so did you make music for the game yet? No, but it feels like you could pre-bake all the fan patterns. I was thinking just like a series of slots, but do you feel like you'd rather make art assets than program when it comes to game dev? Yeah, but I'd rather eat cake than bake one. You know, like I would rather, like, there are bits of every process that kind of suck, and I do like the like puzzle element of this, but like it's still difficult for me to you can make and sell asset packs on the side. That's not a bad idea. That might be better. Asset packs. I am in no... I don't have friends. You know that. Check this. How to draw lines. Okay, so the issue is that when it does that, do it on like a path. Oh my god, would a path work? It might. You have friends, you just keep not asking them for a call. I do ask them. I asked Limes, hey, do you want to do like Deadlock or something? She was like, nah, I don't really want to play Deadlock because it's got, you know, people in it. And I'm like, yeah, it's still Dota. Online groups don't have to be friends. None of the people I know IRL know how to program, like, at all, as far as I'm aware. Most of them are... One of them runs a fucking crystal shop. She's fucking out there. I don't really... She's more of a ally and acquaintance than a friend. My point is that, like, yeah, no. Okay, so, I'm tempted to not do anything with a hand right now, and I'm going to try and figure out how to... Programming with crystals? I mean, that's what I'm doing right now. Join a programming Facebook group. I left Facebook behind because, Facebook. I'm gonna kind of distract. No, okay. So what we did, Lepa, works, but the problem is that the hand, the way I've set it up, bricks itself when a thing is removed from it. So I don't want that. I don't think I do it here. Wait. It was the rat car background. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, it's the positioning of the cards and stuff. Yeah, I mean, I look at, like, subreddits and shit, but I don't really, like, do friends. Like, I ask people to hang out with me, but they seem busy. Fred's dying continuously. He's, like, always sick. I messaged Chai about learning furry shit, because I don't really know if that's what I want. He's not actually dying, he just has, like, a cold or something. Scheduling between streamers is hard, yeah. Alright. Game player turn equals true. I need to figure out when the emit, or how to do emits. Emit signal. Maybe I should have a var, or is it like an emit? No, it's signal. Signal, turn. Who turn? Who turn? Okay. So... emit, who turn? Colon? Expecting end of statement after expression. Yeah. We're gonna have to find how I did it with top card. Alright, Control F, top. Top card sig emit. Here it is. Turn. Who turn emit player. Player not declared in current scope. Okay. I don't need it to emit anything, really. Rev, you need to set up an auto reply for your persona thing. Yeah, I don't know how. For me, I like being me. And I don't like to think about my physical form ever. You know? Like, I'm routinely surprised that I have one. You know? Like, I forget I exist as a physical person. No, it's not that I'd rather be a concept, it's that I see myself as a concept rather than a physical creature. And then I get pulled back to Earth every now and then with stuff like food or needing to pee or like aches and pains and shit. But as far as I can figure, I'm just a thing that exists, you know? What about thinking about how people perceive me? I try not to think about that. That's just called ADHD, Sweaty? Yeah, it's a little bit of that. So how do I pick up on the fact that it's emitted? I guess I gotta go figure out that. All right, so top card. Like, who's picking up that signal? Oh, that's being picked up in the card UI, I think. Work cock the top card. Wait. Function. Oh, that might be a thing. Yeah. Who turn? No, that's an argument you would put in there. Let me look up shit on signals. Signal. Function on who turn. Oh, is that how it is? It's just like literally like on. Because it likes to do it as like button presses and shit. Yeah, so it would be on something. Right, okay. So, underscore on underscore who turn. elif game player. I don't know. I mean, it literally can't be anything else. But I like hard coding my shit, because if somehow you figured out how to be something other than true or false, I have so many more problems to deal with. Your VODs keep getting tagged as Buckshot Roulette on Twitch. I have no idea why. I keep changing it. I don't know what it is. It's something about Restream. I mean, yeah, it definitely could be else. It doesn't need to be that, but I don't trust this shit. Argument not allowed. Oh, right, it's got to be double equals. We're comparing, not changing. And you want a colon. Okay. Okay, fine. We'll just make it else. Okay, so if player turn, then also, can you guys confirm some math for me? Make sure I got this right. 52 divided by 2 plus 4 is 30. Minus 14 is 16. Still looking for kitty headphones. Not so much, but that... yeah, I'll go ahead and permit you just so that way I can look at this. EFB 1995. God. All right. I need like a... what one was that? FL Studio. Okay, copy. Bob. C. User. Owner. Documents. No fish. Assets. Have this. I don't know if you can handle WAVs, but bitch, you're about to figure out how. All right. On player turn pass. Nope. On player turn, I want to make a new emit boolean plus. True, false, true plus, false plus, evil true, fucked up false, based and cringe. I hate that. IDK. All right. Kitty headphones. Thank you. That's meat being cut? And then it says soak your logs in wood. I don't think that this is what you meant to send me. I think the link fucked up. The requested page cannot be found, but when I mouse over it, I can see it. It looks like a nice pair of headphones. That's really weird. Try mousing over it, chat. Don't click it, just mouse over the thing, and then we can look at it. It's so dumb. It's so dumb. Like, you gotta mouse over it in Twitch chat. Does not work in chat? It's working for me. I mean, okay, hold on. Let me show you. So there they are. It looks nice. Well, I can't snip it while clicking on it. Add node here. I want a label, please. Your turn. Which is functionally what it will display first. Theme overrides style. Nope. Font size. Yep. Okay. And then we go, oh, that's not going to be in player hand. No, that's just going to be like here-ish. Turn. Display. Turn. I guess it's all caps. Turn display. Okay. And then we go back to the script and we go turn display. Show. Hide. And then dot text. Turn display. Your turn. All right. Same thing, but then we go bop and then Lake's turn. Is there going to be wiggle room to keep all the stuff and not feed it to the bad guys? Why would you do that? I mean, I guess we could do that, but I mean, like, after you get done doing the thing, you're going to have like a fisherman's catch thing, which is like just like what the value of all the things you caught are, because they're eventually going to have like drawings attached to them, like what do they look like, what do they taste like, how big are they. Those are things you can change with the abilities, so you want to use the ability some, because it's not going to give you that much just by default. I think I might do, it's gonna be, I think I'll do it like Inscription, where if people give a shit, I'll make a version of it where it can go endless. I don't really intend for the point to be to play Go Fish. I know we've spent so much fucking time. I don't know what that means. Yeah, I mean, that could be a thing. We could do something like that. Audio. Sounds. Godot. Playing sound effects in music and... Okay, no. Just gonna look at the documentation. This thing has been outdated and is not up to date with 4.3 yet. Syncing up the audio and music. Oh god, you've got to figure out how to do the time clock. Sure, yeah, I mean, I guess that would work. I don't care, is the thing. I just want it to play the sound. Audio stream, audio effect? No, that's like... I guess that's a thing you would do. As mentioned before, if you call audio... Wait. Is there just a thing that's like a node that's like... Audio? Audio stream player, 2D. Sure. Yeah, alright. It has no graphic, but that's what it does. Okay, so stream. Oh, okay. All right. Assets. Open. Okay. Okay. So when you do that, rename, ding, ding, dot play. Oh wait, what is this? Oh no, that was probably me mousing over this or something. Okay. And then this here. I'm just shook because a vor emote exists. Oh, I was like, what are you talking about, a vote emote? A vote emote is, I don't have a problem with that. Vor emote is weird. Yeah, that's, all right then. Oh, it should be probably on ready. Your turn, show, play, do the thing. Okay. Crank that shit. Also, this does not seem to be hooked up to the... Oh, I have to hook it up to the signal for it to actually do a fucking thing, don't I? On who turn? All right. So, node... How do I change it? Oh, fucking hell. Oh my god, I just thought of a really stupid way of determining time. You know who hasn't been here in a while? Is it Clown Pubes? I saw him recently. Oh, hey, thank you for the gift sub to Vor. I think it's because this thing isn't being toggled. Okay, someone who knows Godot, why is this not working? Because this should be hooked up, I think, but it's not. Do I need to just have it? Do on who turn here? I guess that's what it is. Turn. Pulled them out. I put them out for 15 bucks. Oh, they're like at the store you work at. Oh, okay, that's interesting. That would explain why the thing was having some issues. I think I'm okay. Player turn equals false. Player turn. Game player turn. Excuse me. Game dot player turn equals false. Do the thing. Late turn. Okay. We should probably have it emit as well, just to fix whatever that is. But yeah, then these all things happen. Lake turn. I mean, honestly, it could be after lake turn is run, but okay, so we've gone through all of it. We've added that to all of it. Yeah, let's find the emit. Underscore on who underscore no. On who underscore. Okay, that should find us all the times that we did this. Okay, so back to the top. I don't know why that doesn't work, but it oughta. Okay. We got an ad coming in 5 minutes, so I'm just going to do as much coding as I can, and once I'm done with that, then we'll go from there. I hate the emote combos you guys are doing. It's just awful. All right, restart it, see if we can get the dings to do the thing. 5. So the dings aren't being played. I've set them to 24 decibels, which is a little high. I'm gonna put it on 5. You know what? Let's just reset it to 0. And that way it won't... Like, is it like I don't have the right audio device set up or some shit? Maybe. I want to make a function that is updated in process. I should probably just make the function and then add it to process, and then it'll just keep updating. Where is the deck held? Like, we have a deck, right? Deck list. Okay, we have a version of the deck. Okay, so deck is a thing that we've got. Yes, deck is an array. Okay, so function time flies. Pass. All right, so we got some stuff that we want to do. Let me make a thing here. So I'm gonna add a node, and we're just gonna do like a color rect. This is gonna be shit, but we'll make it look better later by just not being shit. Hey, thank you for the 29 months of support, and thank you for the kind words about how I did on Mike's show. I felt good about it, you know? I kind of needed something like that to go well for me. All right, I want it to seem like it's getting close to night. So, like, it wouldn't go black. It would go... I guess it would go black then to purple. And then this color rect needs to be above everything, I think. Or below everything? Oh, I need to set the layer order. Layout, no. Layout, transform, no. Localization, tooltip, focus, medium, visibility, visibility layer. I think there's probably like a lighting or a shadow function already. And I think that this could, we could maybe have this thing shift color separate. Okay. You know what? For now, let's just work on what we've got access to. We'd have to make a bunch of other stuff. I'd like for Nightfall to feel a little bit like more like sunset. Thank you. Thank you all for that. All right, 150 then? All right, so we did 30 minus 14 is 16. 150 divided by 16. 9. Okay, so 9 times 16 is 144. If we change it to 144, is there that much of a difference? No, okay. So we'll just increase it by 9 every time. All right, so okay. Sorry, it just took me a minute to try and figure out how to do that. All right, so color rect, I need to change this oh god, what? Color rect. We have a transform thing in what fucking scene is that? That's the ability. This modulate color of thing. I'm gonna start booting up Minecraft now because it can take forever and a day. No, that's fine. Oh right, forge a type of hearth. Yeah, that's fucking Google 10. And then you're like, Google 10's going away soon. You'll have to update to our even shittier version. I honestly have no idea if I'm going to upgrade to Windows 11. I mean, I have to upgrade to, or change to something because Windows 10 doesn't work anymore. But like, I want things to work. Like, I want to be able to use programs that work. Do you know what I mean? Try Linux Mint on a fresh drive? Maybe. I've heard there's a lot of actual, like, decent versions of it. Get a cheap junker computer and mess around with stuff like that. You want to use programs and for them to work? Yeah, so that's like the issue is like modulate. What is Is modulate just a word? Oh, it's going to be modulating something else. Modulate. Well, I don't know what it's modulating here. Oh, fuck, you scared me, Minecraft. The main thing is I need it to be able to run OBS, Godot, apparently, my art programs, my music programs, like Fruity Loops, and then it's also got to be able to run every video game that's going to be made in the future. Or at least a majority of them, to the point that I don't have to fucking care that I'm not using Windows anymore. Basically, I want Windows without giving Microsoft any of my time, attention, or money. Okay, can I minimize you or something? I just need to finish what I'm doing. Okay, cool. Color. Can I do this? Expected colon after function? Oh, no, you want it here. Only identifier, attribute access, and subscription access can be used as assignment target. And then we don't want it to be a random number. Pick color. Color rect equals. Insert C. Invalid operands, node and color. FL Studio on Linux is not native, but people got it to work. Okay. Steam works with Proton, and it works nice for games. Anyone here use Linux and have it actually, like, working out for you? Oh, okay, yeah, that's not the right thing still. Oh, would it be dot color? Okay. Okay. Yes, okay, so that's the right code for this then. All right, so what was it, 21 0 20? Banger music. And then opacity is X. Var X equals this music's from Minecraft, yeah. Because we got Minecraft running in the background while I try and figure out this last piece of code. All right, so what I want it to do is I want it to module. One 144 There's a way to know how many things are in an array, right? Yeah, let me look that up. Array. Size. And that just prints a number, right? Come here to Boyd. Yeah, I know. You little baby? You're here an hour early, baby Boyd. That kind of just looks like I'm still stroking it. There's cat. All right. All right, time flies. All right, game dot. Wait, no, it's deck dot size thingy.
You are a very special boy.
You making up for being late yesterday? Yeah, he's got all sorts of biscuits going on. Little tiny biscuits and then head scratchies, and he's a good boy. You're a very special boy, says Cat. Who did that? Captain French Toast. They say you're a very special boy. Did you know? He knows. He knows. X is... deck size minus 14. $144 divided by deck size minus 14. No, this needs to be in process, right? Let's see if this works. It's not working right now. Okay. You should be set to 0 right now. Oh, right. Okay, so what number does that give us, actually? I'm doing it backwards. I want it to be the opposite of this, because that makes it brighter as things go. Yeah, the number gets... I've got the math backwards. This is just a math question. I want the variable to increase by 9 every time the array empties. Once it hits 0 cards in deck, it'll be set at minus 14. So I might want it to be like times, but then minus 14 is still an issue. 144 times deck size is gonna be, yeah, it's a very large number. And as I wait, what? Oh, okay, you know what, fair enough. Yeah, we're just gonna get rid of that for now, because this we don't need to do. Okay, last thing that we need to do before we stop is we need to go and find what we just did, that removes cards. What a good boy you are. What a good boy you are. Yeah. Yeah, I love you too, boy. I don't know what I don't know really how, he's so good. I'm down to stream until what are you grumping about? Is it the fan? Is that better? Loud boy. You hear those purrs? You're gonna have to turn up your mic a bit. Can you hear him? He's a very good boy. All right, let's get this all together. Commit. I don't know how this script, the creepy faces shader, got changed. I didn't change that. That's kind of loud. I apologize. Let me turn it down a bit. Audio better now? Line 98 to 101 in card play area needs to be uncommented, but don't until after you fix how the hand is displayed. You can look at the diff. Yeah, I don't know why it changes these values. I didn't do anything to it, so it shouldn't have changed, but